Now, 7 weather with meteorologist Julie Durda.
Well, we're waking up to mostly clear skies out there in Miami-Dade and Broward. We are seeing some high-level clouds in place, especially here over North Bay Village. The sun breaking through that cloud cover. Sunrise was officially at 7:04. It looks absolutely gorgeous out there, but you will be greeted with the heat and the humidity as you open that front door. We are under a southwest wind flow, and that's bringing us that tropical heat and that moisture that we are expecting to move in later on today, all associated with the frontal boundary that's just to the north of us. So therefore our winds in return are moving in from the southwest to the northeast. Earlier this morning we were watching some isolated showers over the Everglades and Broward. Most of it has started to break apart before making its way closer towards Pembroke Pines and Weston. So right now in Miami, a temperature of 80 degrees. The winds are calm, relative humidity of 85%, so it feels like 86 degrees. In Fort Lauderdale, temperature of 79 degrees. It feels like 84 degrees. And in the Keys, Key West, you're waking up to 84. With the south-southwest wind in place at 3 miles per hour, it feels like 91 degrees. Right now, we've got the upper 70s in Hialeah, Pompano Beach, and Oakland Park, even Pembroke Pines. Good morning to you in Kendall and Miccosukee. You're waking up to 76 degrees. As we take a look at what's going on across the state, we do have that frontal boundary stalled out just north of Lake Okeechobee, bringing some scattered showers right through portions of Tampa. Otherwise, most of the moisture staying offshore. With our wind flow moving in from the southwest, we have plenty of moisture down the surface and in the mid to upper levels of the atmosphere to help bring us that chance of showers and storms today. We'll stay hot, we'll stay humid. We'll see mostly clear skies throughout the morning. Very similar weather patterns to what we were under yesterday. Then by the afternoon, keep your eyes to the west. We'll see more clouds move in and we'll stay unsettled. Let's move to the tropics. We're watching 3 areas, 2 in the Atlantic and 1 in the Gulf of Mexico. Let's start with Tropical Storm Maria. Wind sustained at 50 miles per hour. It's located 940 miles east-southeast of the Leeward Islands. The northern Leeward Islands are under a tropical storm watch as the system is expected to push towards the west as a tropical storm and affect them by the weekend. Then you can see the forecast cone has portions of Puerto Rico, Hispaniola, and even the Bahamas. The central and southern half of the Bahamas highlighted. So we'll have to keep our eyes on this. This is a closer look at the forecast cone as we go into early next week. Otherwise, here's Tropical Storm Nate. Wind sustained at 45 miles per hour, barely moving in the Gulf of Mexico. It's 130 miles west-northwest of Campeche, Mexico. The system is expected to push towards the north and then to the west. Could intensify to a Category 1 hurricane before making landfall by next week. We have a couple areas, Campeche and the other areas surrounding Campeche, under a tropical storm warning this morning. And we can't forget Hurricane Katia in the Atlantic, with the wind sustained at 90 miles per hour, is moving between the U.S. and Bermuda. It's about 315 miles west of Bermuda. It's finally taking that north track at 14 miles per hour. As it goes into the colder waters over the weekend and into early next week, we'll be able to say goodbye to it. Back here, the marine forecast looks good with no advisories. Miami-Dade and Broward, the Bay will be at a light chop. For the lower Keys, no advisories. Nearshore waters at a light chop. Highs today in the lower 90s. Lows will be in the mid to upper 70s. We'll keep that chance of showers in the forecast Friday. Rain chances go down on Saturday. Have a great day.